Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Got a pretty cool product to review today. Got the SmartDevil screen protector for your iPhone. It's a pretty cool product. They promise quick installation. This one works for the iPhone 14, 13, and 13 Pro. We're going to be putting it on an iPhone 13 today. But basically saying this will be dust free and give you, improved screen protection. It's a Mohs hardness level 5. It's got 0.33 millimeters glass thickness. Transmits 90% of the light. And then it says, a steel ball dropped from 120 centimeters, 64 gram steel ball at 120 centimeters. It'll survive that. And then it's a drop angle of greater than 105 degrees after 5,000 tests, the abrasion test. So there is a bunch of testing on it. It does look nicely packaged. Let's open this thing up. See what we have inside here, and then we'll put it on the phone. Basically the phone, we're going to be putting it on here. The current one I have on here is cracked. I'll show you guys. The screen is cracked here, or the old screen protector that I was using is cracked. Kind of in a couple different places here. This is not a SmartDevil. This is, I forget which brand this was, but we're definitely time for a new screen protector. So we'll get this one open. We'll see. I'm not sure if there's anything in here. I'm going to need to clean my screen before I install this new one. So we'll see if they came with like an alcohol swab. If not, we have one on hand we can use. Getting the package open now. See what comes out here. All right. So it includes a cleaning wipe, 2 drying wipes, and a dusting sticker. It's our toolkit. You get 3 of these little kits for cleaning the phone. And it looks like it's all kind of in this little kit here. You put this over the phone to where it fits perfectly. You pull this tab at the bottom and then wait for 10 seconds, and I think it adheres to your screen. This is their protection guarantee. As they say, if you activate it, you get 2 years guarantee there. It looks like you get a couple extra screens. So it's actually kind of cool. It came with 3 of these things for installing the screen on your phone. At least from what I can tell, at least 2 of them. Get a 3-year warranty. Oh, so it was 3-year warranty, sorry. So let me get this all set up and I'll show you guys how to install it. Alright guys, I think I'm ready to clean my phone here. So it's the dusting sticker, to the drying wipes. Let's go ahead, take our alcohol wipe or cleaning wipe out. We'll clean the surface of the phone here. Get it super clean. Fortunately, this phone already has a little scratch on it because I wasn't using a protector. So if you're watching this video, make sure to buy one of these so you don't end up like me with a cracked phone. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one online. Make sure to check that out in the description. Alright, so this phone's pretty clean already. It does have a good amount of dust on it. And on the edges here, it's going to really need to be cleaned a little more. It does have some scratches. Alright, so we got it pretty clean there. Let's do our first. Kind of drying cloth here. Buff out. Any of these spots where there might be some leftover dirt. Especially on the edges. If you had an old screen protector on there, dirt can build up along the edges. That's looking pretty good there. Let's do our dusting sticker. Look for any dust. There's a little hair there. Let me see if I can get that off, or if that's just a little scratch. Little hair got on there. Before you put this on, I want to make sure there's no obvious hair or dust, because it will get locked under that screen. Again, that's just a scratch right there. Can't do this for too long. Take as long as you need. Get this perfect install. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see. A few pieces of dust there we're going to get off. Look at the sticker, there's a good amount of dust already on that sticker. So I was pretty happy with that. Take your time. All right, we should be ready. The instructions say cover your phone, pull down the exhaust. So let's put this on. Phone is covered. Almost, maybe. Probably about as good as it gets. So we've covered the phone. Let's pull down on that. And then when you kind of wait 10 seconds, you just let this thing kind of, as you can see, it just self-adheres to your phone. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nice, easy technology. Again, I think I peeled that off the wrong way. Oh no, that's just the sticker. Okay. So now we got this nice new glass on the phone. Feels awesome. Feels like it adhered to there really well. Really happy with how easy that was. That was my first time doing it. Again, you don't have to worry about the top or the bottom because it comes pre-installed in this little kit here. So that was awesome. It's a great product. Highly recommend these SmartDevil screen protectors. This is the way to do it. And again, if you mess up that one, or if you have multiple phones, it comes with 2 more. I got 2 more cleaning kits. So I'll help a friend out. Give one of these to one of them. But appreciate you guys watching. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these. Again, really happy with how easy that install was. I felt like I'd messed it up, but I did not. So again, you just, for the next one, you just install it in the kit and you'll be ready to install another phone. Again, appreciate you guys watching. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe. I'll catch you all next time.